Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So CoinSpot is often touted as Australia's go-to crypto exchange, but is it really worth your time and money? Today, we're diving deep into its features, user experience, and whether it's the right choice for your crypto journey. If you're based in Australia and looking for a simple way to buy, sell, or hold digital assets, CoinSpot is definitely a name you may come across early, so it's worth understanding where it shines and where it may fall short. CoinSpot is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to buy, sell, and trade a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. What stands out immediately is its user-friendly interface, which is designed to cater to both beginners and experienced traders. For new users, this can be a big advantage because crypto platforms can sometimes feel intimidating, especially when you're dealing with wallets, charts, prices, and different types of coins for the first time. The platform supports over 300 cryptocurrencies, making it one of the more comprehensive options in the Australian market. The registration process is straightforward, and once you're set up, you can easily navigate through the dashboard to manage your assets. This wide selection can be useful if you're not only interested in major coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but also want to explore smaller altcoins, diversify your portfolio, or compare different crypto projects in one place. One feature that users might appreciate is the ability to set up recurring buys, which can help automate investments. This can be helpful for people using a dollar-cost averaging strategy, where you invest a fixed amount regularly instead of trying to time the market perfectly. However, some users have noted that the fee structure is somewhat complex, with trading fees that can add up, especially for small transactions. So before making frequent trades, it's a good idea to understand what fees apply and how they may affect your overall returns. While CoinSpot offers a mobile app for trading on the go, the app experience has received mixed reviews, with some users reporting occasional glitches. A reliable mobile app matters because many crypto users like to check prices, track their portfolio, and make quick decisions while away from their computer. Overall, while CoinSpot has a solid foundation, there are aspects that feel a bit less polished, especially if you're comparing it with exchanges that have smoother mobile experiences or more advanced trading tools. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, CoinSpot offers a wide selection of cryptocurrencies, a user-friendly interface, and robust security measures, which include two-factor authentication. It's also one of the most recognized exchanges in Australia, giving it a level of credibility. For beginners, that recognition can create some confidence, especially when choosing a platform for the first time. The added security features are also important, because protecting your account should always be a priority when dealing with crypto. However, there are some notable drawbacks. The fee structure can be confusing, with higher fees for smaller trades, which might deter casual investors. Additionally, the mobile app could use some improvements, as it's not as reliable as many would hope. If you're someone who trades often or prefers to manage everything from your phone, these issues may become more noticeable over time. Some users have also expressed concerns about customer service response times, which can be frustrating if you encounter issues. In summary, while CoinSpot has its strengths, there are areas that could use refinement, especially for those new to the crypto space. Good support can make a big difference when you're dealing with deposits, withdrawals, account verification, or transaction questions, so this is something users should keep in mind before choosing the platform. In conclusion, CoinSpot is a solid choice for Australian crypto enthusiasts, especially if you value a wide selection and ease of use. However, if you're looking for lower fees or more reliable mobile experience, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying out, but with a few caveats in mind. Start small, review the fees carefully, enable security features like two-factor authentication, and make sure the platform matches your trading style before committing larger amounts.